Muntem. It's with time no onya ho botre kakra na ye fa monko mo kakra because ne nko mo kakra wo ho. Okay. Enti no time I starting to say magical Ghanaians Accra Stadium pitch is in a wonderful shape and the players are happy and ready to play. Tama the recent and current Accra Stadium pitch no say net here. Na among for say wow. Na enra minim se Solomon wo a player no voice na player ba kon akasa fa ho wo se pitch no o kanyame enim no kre say eye kama pa say pitch say pa no nya so bobola ka enya agro kra I just say is that among for say Ghana for demonstrate magic say so we hwese net here not long ago now we in a short time yet me turning into a super pitcher. Na just say Ghana for say ampa yeah magician titama and na da ho no mo a etwa gu no. My players come back disjointed, out of form and poorly coached. Why invite as many as 5 players when you are playing in November? Bring them to me on Wednesday morning or I won't release them again. Coach Abubakar Watala best out on GFE. I say the players now no don't bobo no more form don't call Galaxy Camp no. On buy no. Ukraine me omo form no de buy ndie. Enye na say na omba ye dia and next time we release you. Into Akacha has been phone say ochina no pa. So omo e call Galaxy Camp ni na omo ba. No mutim otim prepare omo. E be say don be se call fencing. Apostles March no because of hesenia on form no de ko buy India na nye kra abeka say umko ni yankochi wo mo nti eno so
but he's making a pointer. I'm saying, you know, as a nation we have to look at it where why would you keep somebody's player and a team be player for that long? Where does this happen?
I say a match I'm going in November too.
Na
league ya feni asante.
No sorry ah. Ntiema say week no. Omko national team na camp then they come on the Friday.
Thursday.
Why? Today.
Tino say
FIFA International Break.
Yes.
The boy league night day.
The issue is not and we go.
No, them say a week midweek.
No. Debut. What are case then say? They have assignment in November. Into almost free players now. Dom go camper. Thursday no dom ba.
Into let's say
dom ko Thursday no ba. Any week ni nko asemo. Meaning to what I said. Boy
into a bear sack of match.
So Gala, so that we can keep them.
That one is strong.
For the national first na here.
Na first.
But
no ma ko tell ni basa.
Rest ani ade ababo mu nne no.
Because me dey say
coach you be ready ho.
FIFA International Week no.
E just gunichim.
Ake break here league no. Then the local Black Stars no. Players now from will go to the local Black Stars.
Okay.
Now coach Nenya access to train them.
Next week.
There be another clubs no.
That is his worry.
Clubs no kwan so musi kwan. But maybe they say to also help clubs and coaches. At time we win international break. Virtually every league in the world is to break.
No, that issue is sorted.
Also, what the kind of
two
different.
Maybe add to Atara seminar can say not to create this confusion because has at any point say any international friendly any international football week.
You cannot keep my.
You cannot call Obi players on my national team. It will everywhere so best one kind. The other way, Bizoto, see if I say here nyoma ya. Anka your ball league Sunday we. See on Monday, you will Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday till next Wednesday. So let me say, a period of like 10 days.
That time no na they agree me on them when
yes.
the league resume.
But when you
as you said the national team is always more important than Kofo.
So the man say o my call out in badges. We are still practicing the archaic method of calling players.
Some more be at.
Say because of Jirgogun, you know.
Oh wow.
Ni afre players be 100. near Ephraim Jirgo Gunti. Born now, more look at Blaster Mofre. Players from the league. Players.
I don't disagree with him.
Players from the league. Oh, they about send your pen or some kind of work on this.
Even though no name word, but the all kind of me, I'm not.
It's the only and say league in Kayabo league. You are calling players the best players to represent Ghana from the league. But you call by a Blasters Otoado.
Campaign to Zoom.
Campaign, man.
Got to go campaign for Americano.
Oh,
Auto Zoom.
To win when you had it. Oh,
I'm a cool.
Now the Usain to 2 million Bombay so be different. Not a real Pejano.
what's the way they won't come? 1 minute.
Campaign to Zoom. Say you can go be a con the end Miango. There's almost 20 million. That is, and I mean, I see them and Bezad, the Oga, the Quay, and say, you're the giant in Temka. And Team Bazo had the Kramami, I had the Kramami. Now, Kamami.
And I said, ain't show you. Just saw the man. Just saw the man of farmer.
The Muslim
for him upon Tinwaka. What again, Musumi at the end of the year.
I'm capture now.
What again, capture.
Baby, Ojano, the mobile in Bengra.
Now so can you resort ya can you?
And your farmer can now
Can you do Basama?
I'm going to say,
why? I am going to see the three gentlemen. If you see them, your problems are solved.
Thank you very much. Thank you. The three gentlemen in Obuasi. Now you are working on Obuasi. If you want to see them, your problem are solved.
I know you are.
But if I say, I don't want to know.
Who can say Brandon Tanko say Kotoko?
One more Kotoko din.
I say
Ibrahim Tanko say Kotoko you need match because of the three gentlemen. Tamasa okay. Nano ko say they are.
Three gentlemen anyway.
Sir, you know the Santa referee and his two assistants.
On a kind.
Ibrahim Tanko yes.
On a kind.
Okay.
On a kind.
Voice no. One cast center boss three gentlemen.
I don't want to say go.
Was it the three gentlemen?
Oh, mom, she go.
It's a so person you was your call go home. What's my do? Then me kai. Obi na ko Obuasi akohu de Obuasi no akasi nya ma me metra na jinye.
Now Ibrahim Tanko no be bobo no sha man credit.
But what kind of make an nei?
Na make us Ibrahim Tanko no on tisa. Adena. Ode no yes.
The ohun ye no work. You see the transfer na man for ahwa ma me say the ohun ye no work.
Okay.
Ibrahim Tanko na kai.
Ibrahim Tanko Ghana League table nto so. You be so. Ghana League.
So the Ghana League table.
And
I dey
I'm disappointed in Abbas because there are critical issues with Hasa. And he brace or they cannot because where has
Kotoko Lusuya koni three. Kotoko Lusuya Olusu ma bodru ko say. Olusu ma tina ko kwaje kese. Obodru ko be kwasa. Kotoko bodru enko 11. Who disappointed say me ma Kotoko shenko. Nam gemeka.
disappointed why?
Was it Kotoko me what disappointed? And he disappointed. Say Kotoko yes 3 gentlemen in Obuasi no.
Oh yeah disappointed.
Was it me
Who you disappointed?
Nam ye
Or no disappointed in you.
Sir. And me can say.
Or just not or expect say wo be ka de ni bre e be kan ha asem.
Na we ball asem ye kan fia no nya ball asem. Football asem and asem si Obuasi.
Abbas you are
and I need check here si Obuasi.
You are
check the
because
part 2
of
but say has a problem no. When has a problem.
You are called Abbas because of heart to folk.
No, because of football.
David. Abbas.
Because of football.
Abbas. And the has.
Yes. Because of football.
Abbas would be for.
Because of football.
Abbas Pacho Mamin to us.
To also.
Heart to folk of 5 points in the Ghana Premier League.
Yes. Bodrako 7 or 9.
Mr. Two. And has about 3 home matches. 3 home matches. Possible 9 points. Mr. Two. We're winning 1, about draw 1, and lose 1. And our away matches out of 6, no. Mr. 2, Obo draw 1. So 1/6. And at home, all 4/9. And the next game I has, my boy, is against Young Apostles this weekend. And we have Ghana Premier League table and said, Chairman, to me the toss for Mr. 2. Hard to Folk Young Apostles in our 5 points. And anything outside a win for Hard to Folk, they are sinking. They are going down. Into a hasty tenure. I expect you said the first thing your focus should be on. How Hard to Folk. Because last thing has called Bono. And you're not
But are you still addressing Abbas? And
I'm addressing Abbas.
I think you have not been fair to him.
Me too, I'm being fair to him. Yes. Because the energy is so the pushy agenda.
Abbas by he has not even made a submission.
Yes.
Where initial
Me too, I have brain so.
I've been over the kind of stuff about Heart of Folk. Usually, normal Basia. The way can no became no better on you. And all the people be actually. So you talk about Heart of Folk. That's the way we know.
So too, Abbas in your first 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. Opa be church is here. 5 minutes. Yes. Moto. And at the end of the day, the focus is not on the most important thing I say here, Abbas. Abbas position. Abbas NCC then organizer. Asabre the plan should Moto last in so check has in Suatere omutimi wini. Yes sir. Obono. Omutimi wini. Omutimi wini. Obrekum. Do you get my point, Mr. 2? That was Haas last season's performance. So clearly, it's a Haas next agenda. Because what's the deal? Teams needed the Haas arsenal. Most of them will be playing home this time around. Ediane Kobo home. Accra Lions Kobo home. Young Apostles Kobo home. So if Hard to Folk and Timian penetrate Wenchi and free her with 3 points. Like he said, they will go down more. That is the story. And so when you be a washer house of football league now, that's how some that will come out. So I'm going to in common now. Once you best start to me catch you say clubs like Lagos Cities. Means all Kaya. See Lagos Cities are female who are so a club like Lagos Cities. Oya can who are but a grown yasha na ni no. But seke kobo home because the last time of away. Into Kobo home, Accra Lions Kobo home, Young Apostles Kobo home, Ediane Kobo home. So if Hard to Folk is going on away game, 5 points at this particular stage with -1, the organizer of Hard to Folk's interest must first of all be how a house bet me or benchy, wenchi. Nobody be papa free wenchi baba.
I was woman in Canada.
Me fight for House of Folk no because me ko Obuasi wo. Ensu atrefo ko ye me the whole day o man training o dwa some man tiase. Thank God by us the 3 gentlemen in Obuasi if you want to win go and see them. Na asem we su Obuasi na me go wa usimi nyai enko ka has nkugu asem.
Me to has bo.
Me ko ka has nkugu be has da.
A ball with 10 men. A ball with 10 men. A ball against Diana with 10 men. If you've monitored Diana this season, it's one of their worst stats. Afi. Omo tenefie my nation's FC kwasho. Before the House of Folk game, no more about 4 matches, no more 2 points. Diana this season. Obo against 10 men with Hard to Folk. Has engineer. I'm a chita for so legon. The national organizer interest is not on the game of Kobo Wenchi.
How many times?
Omako 2.
They won and then they do.
About Obuasi.
Man, I had to say the Obuasi na more much.
Omo ko ba na be catch me.
No man, say omo ko na rugu, omo go say.
Enu asemanzi.
Omo eko brekum. Omo draw. So don't let it look like I said there. Your Obuasi nti na more da be.
Dabi. Obuasi mi erupe. Obuasi 2 cases na Obuasi aba.
4 points from away.
And I pick 2 no nkofo na kwa be mo bna.
Young Apostle man go Obuasi.
Omo mo bna.
So why should that be a topic? Obi so call here because you are tema for call.
So tell me omsu.
Man ka he. Manakasa.
It's what am I?
Manakasa.
I'm the whole man training.
Manakasa.
Report from what am I? Me reporter.
I think you are not being fair.
The whole man training.
About in your fair.
Swat. Nadia go to young Obuasi. The training.
I don't know.
I don't do the Omunya record back on. Almost our own goal.
Red card. Adriana red card. Adriana just will be necessary.
Adriana has Adriana red card.
Adriana for zoom mimi zoom.
So cast you should be fair.
Fair say.
Go be red card just a referee necessary. Meanwhile, Adriana red card, no referee necessary no deserve it.
No deserve.
It is obvious call Obuasi no red card. And then there's a Kotoko 3 gentlemen.
Oh, and you could obi na ko haba no so so no.
It is all can me follow but
about
your analysis now you are not being fair to them.
Said the tango kan no fair.
Tango ni baba akwa ya na wakasa. Man this is to man bi akasa.
Omo kasa papa zo.
Man ti wan kasa.
O na asa abu so anu mo so
ayi na ayi akala on to dey
zo drama.
Young apostle for Obuasi
omo angasa
Kotoko akwa awe akose
angasa
almighty break
obi angasa
na one Martin to go print to
you too so trade there wo di si
o obi angasa
eso trade man for
baba kudi
eso trade nyam kasa
wanya
eso trade the whole so trade my press conference so trade mo bi akra agache na bu so anu mo so na tango there no
you see
tango there no
last season
ade a just Obuasi mu yedi o about 3 performance na kosuro
last season you say ye ni abasa kasasa onyoma bi say ho the position of heart to folk is not funny me to baby a house da no enya asresem a ye me ani kobru obi team so the points gap between us and the Dream FC no that 17 2 points just 2 points well to 2 points
and rest in the foul
about
rest in the foul pushing rest in the foul but you come born again.
No to Heart to Folk and Dreams FC points gap 2 Dreams FC that 17 position on the house 2 points
okay
no to 2 points so on say anything so the focus of every Heart to Folk fan the primary focus the secondary focus bit my Kotoko the usual Kotoko banter but the primary focus they say team no send ye kwa etitafo kwhwe match a wo de sun ko fie no how do we fix that issue? That is what every Heart to Folk fan if you get the energy wa attention because Mr. Towie enua ansa no wa move akọ the usual Kotoko house banter okay me to what the make can say but omwani ko break the usual Kotoko house banter
all right
now sweep away the headache of the Heart to Folk fan. Heart to Folk team that Mr. To a more negative goal difference.
So I'm that's it. You
maybe Ojana na yesi ehwa asem no ne kan aba so enye dede enye bibia. Yes, ye here has Ghana league nim because nya botre eduru ho e be.
E ma to ase ye team ko yi